Welcome to the channel. The MCQs taken today are from the chapter Cell Cycle. In which stage of the cell cycle each chromosome is duplicated and so it consists of two chromatids? Think carefully and try to answer. Do comment me in the comment section below how many of you got the right answer. And the answer is, it's B, the synthesis phase of the cell cycle. Now let's try another one. If you observe a cell like this one, what phase of mitosis is it? Think. The answer is, it's A, the Anaphase of the cell cycle. Hope you liked the video. Do tell me which other MCQ answers would you like to know. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.